Welcome back. Let's go ahead and continue with our lesson 1 here. Our cursor is blinking there. It's just kind of waiting for us to enter some information. So I'll go ahead and type lesson 1. And what we'll do is we'll just document things as we're learning them, as we're going through our tutorial here. I'm going to press the enter key so I can get ready to enter my next text here. But before I do that, there's some other things that we can do to continue to customize this interface here. And notice right now I'm on my View tab. And if I go over to my Show command group, I can turn on my ruler. Now my ruler will help me to be able to establish some tab stops. I can go ahead and use the grid lines. That will give me a really nice grid if I want to line up my different objects or text. And the navigation pane that will show up on my left, and it will kind of give me a preview of my entire document here. I'll go ahead and turn on the ruler. So here's my ruler. So as you can see, we can go ahead and establish where our tab stops are by clicking on these different spaces. The grid lines will kind of gives you a nice guide if you want to make sure things are lining up properly here. And then let's talk about the navigation pane. So our navigation pane opens up here on our left. And so you can search the navigation pane. This will stay active as you continue to work on your document here. We can take a look at headings, pages, and results. So right now we do not currently have any headings, but as we add the headings, they will show up here and we'll be able to navigate back and forth between the headings. If we click on pages, we only have one page right now, but it's giving us a preview of what we're currently looking at. Another option is results. So if we were to type, we can search through our document. We can search for a phrase or a keyword. So if I were to go ahead and type lesson here, highlights lesson for me. And if I go ahead and click here, it will bring me to that page and that part of the page where this phrase occurs. If there's more than one result, we can go ahead and navigate through the different results here as well. So it's another fine feature, okay? But we'll play around with this a little more as well. I'll go ahead and turn off my ruler, turn off my grid lines. I'll keep my navigation pane turned on, and I'll go ahead and clear my search here. So go ahead, type that first line for your document. Go ahead and turn on the ruler, the grid lines, turn on the navigation pane, and play around with them and see if they will be helpful for you, and then come right back.